Hello and welcome to PMPLounge.com. My name is Shoaib. I'm the voice behind all the videos that you see on this YouTube channel as well as the PMPLounge.com website. The point of this video is a question that I received recently, and it says, how long does the application audit take? Is the time taken for audit included in the validity, the time of, the time for validity of the application? Is the time taken for audit included in the application validity? Now, here's the thing. Let me give you a context on what we are talking about here. So once you fill in your PMP application, right, once you submit the application that you want to take up the PMP exam, once you submit that application, it takes about 5 days for PMP to process that application and send you an email response that your application is approved for the PMP examination, and you can go ahead and write the PMP exam. Now, some of the applications are randomly selected for an audit, right? So if your application is not selected for an audit, the day you receive the approval that you can go ahead and take up your PMP exam, from that day onwards till the next year, right? So for 1 year, your application is actually valid. So within the 1 year time frame, you can go ahead and take up the PMP exam any time within the 1 year that you please. But if your application is selected for the audit, two things here. The questions have two parts basically. Number one, how long does it take for PMP to complete the audit? And number two, is that time, right, the time taken by PMI to complete your application audit, is that included in the 1 year time period that you have to write the exam? So first up, the time taken by PMI to complete the application audit depends on how soon you can provide them with the proofs that they need, right? When your application is selected for audit, you will obviously receive a notification from PMI that your application has been selected for audit, and they will ask you for certain documents. As soon as you can provide those documents, those artifacts, PMI should quickly give you the approval of the PMP of the application, right? So you should be able to go ahead and write the PMP as soon as you send them documents. As soon as they receive the documents and they complete the audit, you should be able to receive your go ahead to write the PMP exam. So the day you receive the go ahead from PMI after your audit is successfully done, right, from that day till next 1 year is where your application validity holds, right? So it is not like you fill up the application form and from that day onward till the next 1 year is where you have the time to write the PMP exam. It is not like that. The 1 year window to write the PMP exam starts when your PMP application is approved, right? So whether it is approved without an audit or whether you go through an audit and then get your application approved, that day onwards to the next 1 year is your window to write the PMP exam. So I hope that was clear. I hope I was able to answer the question and address this concern. 1 year is a good amount of time. My suggestion has always been and will always be to have a date in your mind before you fill up the application itself, right? Start filling up the application once you have that target date set in your mind when you're going to write the PMP exam and clear it and get yourself a PMP certification. So that's all I had in this video. Hope it was helpful. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't done so already. Check us out on our social media, facebook.com/PMPLounge and twitter.com/PMPLounge. Send your queries. If you have any such queries, send in to pmplounge@gmail.com. And as always, don't forget to check out the website pmplounge.com, your number one free resource for PMP certification and project management industry information. Thank you.